Page 18, Costs of Bank Services, Part 1. Answer these questions about checking account plans. Hint: some banks offer checking account plans in which you are charged a certain amount for each check you write. If a bank charges 7 cents per check and you write about 20 checks per month, the checking account will cost you about $1.40 per month. 7 cents times 20, $1.40. Number 1. Tom's bank offers two different checking plans. In Plan A, Tom would have to pay 10 cents for every check he writes. In Plan B, he would pay $2 per month regardless of how many checks he writes. Tom writes about 15 checks a month. Which plan should Tom choose? Number 2. Julia's bank offers two different checking plans. In Plan A, Julia would pay 9 cents for every check she writes. In Plan B, she would pay $3 per month regardless of how many checks she writes. Julia writes about 25 checks a month. Which plan should Julia choose? Number 3. Maria's bank offers two different plans. In Plan A, Maria would pay 11 cents for every check she writes. In Plan B, she would pay $2.50 per month regardless of how many checks she writes. She writes about 30 checks a month. Which plan should she choose? Part 2. Answer these questions about traveler's checks. Assume that traveler's checks cost 1% of the amount of the checks. Hint: to find 1% of an amount, multiply the amount by 0.01. For example, 1% of $200 equals 20 cents. 200 times 0.01 is $2. 4A. Samson brought $250 worth of traveler's checks. How much would the checks cost him? For B. Samson asked for $250 worth of $10 checks. How many checks should he receive? (5A). Alice bought $300 worth of traveler's checks. How much did the checks cost her? (5B). Alice asked for the $300 worth in $20 checks. How many checks should she receive? 6A. David bought $600 worth of traveler's checks. How much did the checks cost him? 6B. David asked for $600 worth in $50 checks. How many checks should he receive? 7A. Sarah bought $1,000 worth of traveler's checks. How much did the checks cost her? 7B. Sarah asked for the $1,000 worth in $100 checks. How many checks should she receive?